site. What's up, everyone? Hobbybox here, doing our group break number 1028. There's a list. No trades. We got Grizzlov with the Ducks, WNY Bad Boys with the Coyotes, Andy Boston, Kid TNT Buffalo, all the way down to Winnipeg Jets and Hamish 1943. So what should we do? Let's go with SBA first, guys. You guys cool with SBA? Let's go SBA first. New to old to new. And then we'll go Ultimate and then Ice. Yeah, let's go like this. That. There. Okay. Good luck, everyone. 1314 SBA box number is 4443. Thanks, buddy. You want a Fukali patch in a 1314 SBA, Nick? Good luck then. We have a Devin Dubnyk for the Oilers. First hit goes to the Florida Panthers, number 30 of 75, Quinton Howden. Gamebit. For the Anaheim Ducks, number 229 of 1299, Frederick Anderson. For the Bruins, moments of Marchand and Bergeron. I hate that picture. Canucks fans know why. We only opened 3 packs there, Wes. So no Hawks. Eric Carlson, Ottawa. You're in time. On time, in time, on time. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, number 1044 of 1299, Jason Magna. Shh. Be quiet there, Jordan. For the Capitals, Ovi. Griffey man would like that. For the Dallas Stars, Future Watch autograph number 313 of 999, Jack Campbell. I think he got traded, right, guys? Or Dallas? You know. Dallas would know. Campbell got traded, right? We have a Dougie Hamilton, silver skates for the Bruins. Moments of Brett Hall for the Stars. For the Colorado Avalanche, number 601 of 1299, Sami Atakaliu, Future Watch, non-auto. That sucks. Corey Conacher for the Sens. For the Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm, silver skates. What's up, Sandbag? For the Blackhawks, there you go, Wes. Patrick Kane. Jonathan Toews, Chicago. Sidney Crosby, silver skates for the Champions. Alexander Burrows for the Canucks. What a crappy box. Where are the hits? Authentic Moments, Taylor Hall and Jordan Eberle, Oilers. Should get one more auto, right? And there it is. Not bad. For the Calgary Flames, Premier Prospects, rookie autograph, Sean Monahan. No, it's the third break of the night, Wes. Where have you been? Oh, first one for you, yeah. Jaroslav Halak for the Blues. So not bad. Not bad. Oops. Base cards are all over the place. Five more boxes to go, Wes. Not Wes, I mean Nick. I haven't touched the master case yet. SPA 1415, box number 777. Only one nice hit, that Gretzky. LA. I don't remember. If you don't have a dot beside your name, that means you're hitless. For the LA Kings, Wayne Gretzky, authentic moments.
So you're hitless if you don't have a dot.
If you don't have a dot, you're hitless, yes.
You hit LA.
We have a Young Guns for the Nashville Predators, Mikko Salamaki. New guy.
Yeah. Can I see the card?
Right there.
This one?
For the New Jersey Devils, Future Watch, Joe Whitney, 449 of 999. What are the Habs doing with all these goalies they got? Mike Lute, is that? No, sorry, Pete Peters for Boston. They got Condon, they got Fucali. I don't know if Tokarski's still in the system or not. Frederick Anderson, or no, sorry, John Gibson for the Duckies. Update of Anders Lee. We have a Young Guns of Andrew Hammond for the Ottawa Senators. For the Coyotes, number 151 of 999, Future Watch autograph of Mark Vicentine.
How much is it a box?
$250.
Two cards. Fantastic.
Oh, wow. Well, Stephen Adams box was pretty good. Dylan Larkin booklet to 49.
I guess that was from that.
Moments, Mike Smith for the Coyotes.
Right?
Yeah. Jason Zucker update.
I should like those ones this year.
Yeah, they're very nice. Future Watch for the Tampa Bay Lightning, number 598 of 999, Cedric Paquette.
Surprised you haven't done the master.
We had like 16 teams left. Guy Lafleur for the Habs. We're down to 2. All of a sudden, boom, boom, boom. Honestly, we had like 12, 13 teams left, and in like minutes, we're down to 2. For the Buffalo Sabres, Pierre Turgeon. For the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Racine, Future Watch to 999. For the New York Islanders, Sign of the Times, Brock Nelson. Going up to Sandbagger. And Colorado, Joe Sakic. Alec Martinez, LA. Flicks. Sure. Oh, nice hit for Washington. Number 603 of 999. Future Watch autograph for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. There you go, Ver 80. Not a bad one to get. And Chris Chelios, Detroit. Not bad either. Number 26 of 999 for the New York Rangers, Kevin Hayes. Slick Rick. And the last pack has a Premier Prospects of Andrei Burakovsky with a ding on top for the Caps. So not bad. Both of our SPA boxes have been average boxes, nothing crazy. Let's go 16, 15, 16. SPA box number is 6030. Different, yeah, that's what I was just saying. All different.
That's what I want to do with my collection.
Good luck. So let's see if we can pull a Connor. Seth Jones update. Moments for the Jets. Nikolai Ehlers. For the San Jose Sharks, Nikolai Goldobin, Premier Prospects. Carolina Hurricanes, Young Guns of PDG. Think it's just you there, buddy. We have a Legends of Wayne Gretzky for the LA Kings. Premier Prospects for Calgary, Sam Bennett. What? Oh, that was Julie's spot. We were oversold, so I gave that, and it was, but nothing came out though. Authentic Moments, Aaron Ekblad. I told you, King, I'm like, you gotta buy her something if Connor comes up. Yeroman Yossi for the Predators. But this number 3 we gave up, did not do that good. Got the Flyers. And we have, come on, 31 of 99, limited gold autograph for the Carolina Hurricanes, Justin Falk. Careful, buddy, careful.
Always careful.
Legends, Bryant Leach for the Rangers. Boring. I'm getting bored here. Let's hit something. Woohoo! Columbus has a hit. Feature Watch autograph number 958 of 999. Josh Anderson. Going out to Yes Man. Willie Paulette. Calgary. Oh, we got a patch at least. Let's go something good. It is a goalie, looks like. And it looks like the Predators. Not bad. 54 of 100. Triple color patch. Limited auto patch for the Predators. Pekka Rinne. Going out to Ver 80. Not bad. Future Watch, Ryan Zingle to 999 for the Senators. Hope that wasn't our third hit. Falk, yeah, it was. Falk, Rene, and Anderson are 3 hits off the box. Yeah, Pekka Rinne was good 5 years ago. Yeah, you're right. Mike Gardner, Capitals. Come on, extra hit, extra hit. Jacob Voracek, Philly. Nemesnikov update. And the last pack of this SBA box is Willie Paulette Legend. So, 3 very average boxes of SBA. And our worst one was our newest one, unfortunately. Boo-hoo. Okay, that goes there. It's time for 13-14 Ultimate Collection. And then Ice 14-15. And finish with Ice 15-16. So 13-14 Ultimate Collection box number is 784. So if no one buys Ottawa and Detroit in the Master, we will do a filler. Works out to be, I think, well, it's $230 for both, so about 23 spots, $10 a spot. I don't know. We'll figure it out. For the LA Kings, 264 of 499. Yari Curry. For the LA Kings, Ultimate Rookies, 225 of 499. Lyndon Vey. Decoy, we go with the back card, goes to the Anaheim Ducks. Ultimate Jerseys, Corey Perry. And last but not least, well, it is a 99. For the Carolina Hurricanes, number 83 of 99, Ultimate Rookie Autograph of Elias Lindholm. That's not bad at all. Lindholm is definitely a potential player. Okay, 14-15 Ice, box number 99. $2.99. This box has been sitting there forever. I was going to hold on to it for the right break, but couldn't.
1,000.
Yeah, I was going to do it in 1,000, but we have better boxes than that. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we get in here. Let's get a 99. First one goes to the Flames. 327 of 999. Ice Premiers of Corbin Knight. For the LA Kings, number 280 of 999. Ice Premiers of Andy Andreoff. For the New Jersey Devils, number 298 of 499, Ice Premiers of Damian Severson. Oh, there's a 99, not bad. For the Ottawa Senators, number 9 of 99, level 1, Ice Premiers, Curtis Lazar. Going to RG Strand. Not bad. Box number 99 had a 99. Not bad, Rick G. Not bad. We have a Frozen Foursomes for the Montreal Canadiens. Carey Price, Alex Galchenyuk, Brendan Gallagher, and PK Subban. There you go, Habs. I don't even think Rick G is watching. Rick G, where are you? These ones I'm gonna end up. I'm gonna send these. I totally forgot that these are not base. They're legends and goalies. So Sakic for the Avs, Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist, and Capitals, Philip Grubauer. No, the other Rick. Oh, where's Irby? There is an Arthur's Irby. For the San Jose Sharks, ringside signings of Arthur's Irby. Flova. Going to you. And Anaheim Ducks, John Gibson, goalies. Last one is Antiniemi for the Sharks. And 43 of 99 for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask.
27.
Not a bad box at all. It's been sitting there for a while, so. Next up, and our last box is box number, 15-16 Ice, box number 753. Case it, right, Sandbagger? Case hit. What's up, buddy?
How you doing, Lewis?
Good, you?
Good, man.
He didn't wait for me. Went down straight away, got Menchie's without me.
No, you said only if you hit a $2,000 card.
For the Chicago Blackhawks, number 116 of 199, Ice Premier's autograph of Vinny Hinostroza. Chicago is West P.
It's a nice card, eh?
Yeah. Come on, let's get a monster from here. For the Flames, Global Impact, Sam Bennett. And for the Coyotes, Rookie Relic Jumbos, 230 of 299, Henrik Samuelsson.
I like the card.
I really like that middle one, yeah.
For the Nashville Predators, number 670 of 999, UC Saros, Ice Premiers.
Wow.
For the Anaheim Ducks, Ice Premiers to 1999, Stefan Nosen.
Instead of Crosby, $12.
And our Exquisite is, come on. Be hitting these Exquisite bases the whole time. For the Detroit Red Wings, number 387 of 499, Exquisite Legends of Terry Sawchuk. Never hit good.
That's it? Like you've got all your cards and
No, I'm waiting for
oh, and that came out next. Not sold out yet?
Oh, we got the crack hit. For the Colorado Avalanche, 1272 of 1999, Wanted, Duncan Siemens. Horrible picture. And the funny thing is, he's the only one in that in the product that has a close-up photo. And yay, Connor! Fresh threads for the Edmonton Oilers. Connor McDavid.
maybe less.
Jordan C. At least you got a Connor. Come on, last box mojo. I doubt it though. I doubt it. Last pack I meant. And Ice Premiers to $14.99. Brendan Gons. Boo hoo. Boo boo hoo.
I do, because they're hard to get.
So no multi-randoms to do. That was group break number 1035. Sorry, 1028. We'll be back with more breaks right after this. Thank you.